Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Mr. Crypto Vet coming at you with an update video for the 8-Minute Trader. Are you guys as excited as I am? Because I know that you know that on the 1st of September, we are officially launching. Let's give it up for that. All right, so with that out of the way, I just want to say that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am just some random guy on YouTube. This is just for educational and entertainment purposes only. Um, you guys, it's just two more sleeps away, one more full day away from launch, and I couldn't be more excited. Can't wait to get my hands on all the official tools that 8-Minute Trader is going to offer us. I can't wait to get my hands just on the scalper software so I can finally just throw it out there on my own MT4 account. Um, I'm over the moon, you guys. I sent a message out on my FX Superheroes Telegram, which if you're not a part of, I do have a link to that down in the description below. This is kind of just housing some of my team members, and I push out updates, not just with 8-Minute Traders, but some of the other projects that I'm involved with. And it also has a Word document pinned for those who have never purchased crypto and need a step-by-step guide. I have an 8-step guide on a Word doc pinned to some videos that show you how to get access to crypto and how to fund an account, whether that's a brokerage account or if you just want to buy crypto in general, over 500 bucks, because there are some steps that can be a little complicated, but it's not too difficult the way that I break it down in those videos. So make sure that you are a part of that group. But I did send a message out there not too long ago requesting if anyone plans on building a team, whether you just have a couple people you want to refer to, one, two, three, it doesn't matter. I need you to please send me a private message on Telegram so that way I can position my team accordingly. I'm in the works right now of doing that. I'm also going to be emailing some of you guys who were pre-registered with me. There's a Google Docs form out there, and it's just asking you for some basic info. So that way we can place our team accordingly. So when we do launch on the 1st, the placement is correct. So we need to have that ASAP. So if you can send me a message as soon as possible, that would be fantastic. For those of you guys who have been involved with network marketing in the past, like timing is key. Timing is key. I plan on building a huge organization here with Longevity and 8-Minute Trader because when you think about it, Longevity's been around for 25 years. And before, this is all before the 8-Minute Trader, they have a huge, vast line of products that you could choose from, with their health, nutritional, and supplementation products being some of the best. And I'm not exaggerating when I say that, the best in the world. Dr. Joe Wallach has done some astonishing research, and he's done so much work that you can go and check that out for yourself. I'm not here to sell you on that. Just a company being around for 25 years should say everything right there. But imagine combining that with the 8-Minute Trader. We're about to blow it out of the park. So I do plan on building quite a significant organization, and the sooner you get involved, the better for you, because I can place people wherever I want in my organization, and you have up to 60 days to move people around. So the folks who plan on doing more to start with, I want to kind of incentivize them and give them more of a head start. So those of you guys who want to be a 1-star, 2-star, 3-star, 4-star, 5-star, and you have those goals, please reach out to me so that way I can make sure I structure you accordingly. That's the main message that I wanted to get across to you guys before we actually launch. But just a recap from this morning, we had a Red Folder news event, and we did end up taking a trade. And I'm going to once again reference back to some of the videos that I've made in these past couple of weeks. And people have been really salty saying, the open trade, there's a significant amount of losses and people are just losing money, this, that, and the third. And once again, I'm going to come back and say it all depends on the style of trader that you are. Because this morning, the market was very, very rangy when it opened. If you go back to MT4 chart or TradingView chart, you can see the range that it created right at the 9:30 Eastern time open for the US 30. It did pass through the resistance. I'm sorry, it's the support line, and ended up going bearish. So Coach Mo entered a sell trade, and as soon as he got into that sell trade, it kind of reversed on him a little bit and it went a little bullish. Um, and long story short, he stayed in the trade for a little bit and then ended up taking about a 2%. No, I want to say it was a 1.5% loss this morning because he knew it was a red folder event and he didn't want to enter in too heavy. And he was grateful that he didn't. Caveat to that, though, caveat to that. As some of you guys may know, I made a video last week saying that I wasn't going to trade on my live account anymore until I got my hands on the actual software. So I have been trading on demo, and I want to share my screen and what happened to me this morning. Since I'm in a demo account, I had a little bit more wiggle room to play with, and it didn't quite hit the most recent high. If you look back at a chart, it did not hit the most recent high by the time that Coach Mo got out. So I entered a trade, but I also entered a cost average trade towards the middle or the top of the most recent bear case. Doing so, I ended up staying in the trade, and I'm going to share what happened to me. I'm just going to share my screen. Oh man, I'm laggy right now for some reason. All right, so as you can see here on my demo account, I ended up taking a trade right when Coach Mo got into the trade. And then this is my cost average trade about 40 seconds or so later. You could see my price point entries right here. And as you'll notice, I stayed in the trade and I didn't get out quite when Coach Mo did. I ended up staying in the trade for approximately, 12 minutes. And I ended up making some profit on this thing. So there was quite a few people who lost, but I was able to profit. As you can see here, made close to about $60 this morning, if not $60 exactly. I'm not going to do the quick math in my head, but it looks like $60 to me. So that just goes to show that everyone is going to be a different type of trader. There was actually quite a few people who were profitable this morning, including Sal this morning. He was very focused. He said he came off of mute and said he was very focused in a trade. And he stayed in it like I did, and he ended up making about 5% on his live account this morning. So, once we officially launch, people get that training, that one-on-one handoff from Sal, and all the tips and tricks that they have up their sleeve, the software that they have up their sleeve, all these automated tools that they have for us to be able to use in conjunction with our manual trading. It's just going to be a real game changer in my humble and personal opinion. I'm willing to try anything once. I'm not shy or afraid of opportunity. What if this is actually the next greatest thing in the trading space? We won't know until we get out there and try. So that is my advice for people. If they want to take that advice, feel free, join me. If this isn't for you, hey, that's completely fine too. I am going to actually get started on the first with a $100,000 demo account to start, because my intention behind that is to see how quickly I can gain 10% on that account. And then from there, what I want to do is do the FTMO challenge. So whoever ends up joining my team, they're going to have exclusive access to whatever I have going on for the FTMO challenge. I also have a crash course video for those of you guys who are new into trading, like don't know anything about trading, don't know anything about a broker, what a candle is. Like I have a little mini course that I've built out, and it's going to show you exactly how to get started. I do think, and I am highly anticipating, that 8-Minute Trader has already put all those tools in place for us. But just as a backup, and as for those of you guys who are coming new onto my team, I have all those resources available as well, just ready to go. So if you need that, if you're on my team, definitely reach out to me on Telegram, and I'll be more than happy to share that with you. Anything from funding with crypto. I think that's one of the biggest hurdles with people getting started in this space, is just funding with crypto. People get so caught up on, oh, I'm just gonna, swipe my debit card or my credit card. It doesn't quite work that way, unfortunately. But I do have the solution, and I do I can show you how to get started within a matter of 24 to 48 hours if you have a significant amount. If you have, you know, $500 or less, maybe even $1,000 or less, I can get you started within 10, 15 minutes. It's way easier to do with a lower amount, but anything over $1,000, if you want to do it all at one time, it's really best to do a wire. So that way you can have access to all your funds and you're not sitting there waiting for 7 days and 21 days to get your account funded. So I have access to those videos and I'm ready and willing to share the information with anyone. So reach out to me. I can't wait for the launch, and I hope to see you guys on the morning calls, because tomorrow is actually our last free one. So we'll see who sticks around for the calls starting Thursday, Friday, moving forward into next week. I know this weekend is a holiday weekend coming up, so make sure you guys take some R&R time, rest and relax, and get your batteries charged and ready to go for Tuesday, because it's game on, baby. And I'm ready to make it happen in the market. So with that, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video with someone that you know and care about. And I will catch you guys on Thursday. Take care. Bye-bye.